Welcome to Lancaster New City, Cavite. This is Thea, turnover units. What you see is what you get. Tara, pasok tayo. Modern design, may sariling garahe, and insecure, peaceful community. Pagpasok mo, open layout, well-ventilated, and ready for a dream setup. Meron kang bedroom sa baba, perfect for seniors or guests. Functional kitchen, space, plus first toilet and bath, perfect for guests and daily convenience. Sa likod, meron kang service area, perfect for laundry or a dirty kitchen. When we go upstairs, here's what you get. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, plus a balcony. Bank and Inos financing, complete community, my schools, church, mall, transport hub. Another toilet and bath upstairs. So convenient. Here's your second bedroom, perfect for kids or office space. And this is your master bedroom, spacious and bright. At ito, your own private balcony, perfect for morning coffee. Pero ito na, ilang units na lang natitira, ikaw bang magpapahuli o ikaw ang unang lilipat? Don't wait! Just come and see it for yourself. Ami Balyos here, ready to help you move in. See you at Lancaster New City!